In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access lifecycle stage calculated properties in Hubspot. We're going to keep this short, practical, and focused so you can follow along in your own account as you watch. These lifecycle stage calculated properties are really useful when you want to understand exactly when a contact entered a stage, when they left it, or how long they stayed there. Think of things like date entered lead, date exited opportunity, or time in customer stage. Knowing where to find these properties lets you build better reports, list filters, and workflow logic. Start by logging in to your Hubspot account. Then look toward the top right corner for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that to open your main settings panel. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, find and click on Properties. This is the central place where all your object properties live: contact properties, company properties, deal properties, and more. Since we're focusing on lifecycle stage properties for people in your database, we're going to stay with contact properties for now. Once the properties page loads, look near the top for an option that lets you choose the object. Click that object dropdown and then select Contacts. This tells Hubspot that you want to view and work with properties that belong specifically to contact records. Now, at the top of the Properties table, you'll see a search bar. This is where the real power comes in. In that search field, type in words like entered, exited, or time in. Hubspot will use that text to filter down the property list for any lifecycle stage calculated properties that use those phrases. As you type, you'll notice results such as date entered, stage name, date exited, stage name, or time in stage name. These are the calculated properties that track lifecycle behavior for your contacts. You can click into any of these properties to see additional details, understand how they're used, and reference the internal name if you plan to use them in custom reports or integrations. From here, you can use these properties to build lists based on when someone entered a stage, segment contacts by how long they stayed in a stage, or trigger workflows based on those lifecycle changes. And that's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to Properties, choose Contacts, then search for Entered, Exited, or Time In to access your lifecycle stage calculated properties in Hubspot.